Femininity scholars, a good practice when writing your dissertation is to read those who have gone before you. But where do you find these dissertations? How about research articles? Today, I'm going to show you how to use ProQuest in a quick and easy way to find these resources to help you write your dissertation. Make sure you watch all the way through so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ProQuest in 3 quick and easy ways. 1, to find a specific dissertation you need. 2, to find dissertations on a specific topic. And 3, to find peer-reviewed research articles on a specific topic. Let's start with finding a specific dissertation in ProQuest that your chair or instructor may have suggested.
First, open your web browser and type in ProQuest. When the Google results appear, you'll see the direct link to Dissertations and Theses. Then ProQuest will pop up and you'll want to click on Search Dissertations. When you get to this next ProQuest page, go ahead and log into your university's library to connect to all ProQuest resources. Another pop-up will appear, so just enter your university's name in the box. I will enter Grand Canyon University. Then click on the link and enter your credentials for your university. Success! Now you're on the ProQuest homepage. Sometimes your chair or instructor will direct you to find a specific dissertation. To do that, go to Advanced Settings. Choose Author in this drop-down menu. Also make sure that full text is clicked. For this demonstration, I want to find Dr. Kristen Rodville's dissertation. And there it is. Super easy. Click Cite. This seems to default to APA 6. So you'll want to use the drop-down menu to select which APA 7 version you want to copy and paste into refworks.com. I also want to point out these other functions that may also be helpful. Let's not forget these important tools.
Now that you know how to use ProQuest to find a specific dissertation, I'm going to show you how to find dissertations on a specific topic. This search provides many benefits to doctoral students. For example, you may find ideas regarding how past students shape their gap or problem space, how the dissertation is written, or what references they use in their literature review. In any case, this is an important research skill to have in your toolbox. Okay, let's give this a try.
Again, go to the ProQuest homepage and click on Dissertations and Theses. Make sure full text is selected. This time, click on Databases. Once on this page, deselect all of the databases. Then reselect only dissertations and theses from your university. Scroll all the way to the bottom and reselect ProQuest Dissertations and Theses Global. Then click Use Selected Databases. Now enter your topic. For this demonstration, I'm entering Special Education. Wow, almost 40,000 results. Let's reduce this by entering a date range. Once the pop-up appears, be sure to click on the month. That way you can go back and forth with the year range. Choose whatever date you like for the start date, and then follow the same steps for the end date. A good rule to follow is no later than 5 years from your graduation date. Click Update, and now you'll see that number reduced to just under 5,000. Notice that you can use the drop-down menu to look at most relevant or most recent.
Great, you've learned how to use ProQuest to find dissertations. Now I'll show you how to use ProQuest to find research articles. As doctoral students, you'll need lots of articles, normally within 5 years of your graduation date, to support your review of literature in Chapter 2. I'll show you how to narrow your time frame to find those recent articles quickly and easily. Let's get to it.
For topic articles, go back to the homepage and this time click Full Text, Peer Reviewed, and Scholarly Journals. Click once again on Databases. Again, deselect all. Then only select ProQuest Central. There are many databases within ProQuest Central, so deselect all that do not apply to your topic. A tip is to deselect all of the non-United States databases, since you will want to focus primarily on American studies. When you have finished identifying the appropriate databases, then click Use Selected Databases, and you'll be back to the home page. Note that a number of databases at the top have changed. Now, enter your study topic. You will now see scholarly articles that you can again reduce by date range or reorder by relevance or most recent.
Well, you did it. If you're confused about how to use ProQuest, I hope this video really helped you. This channel is about helping you on your doctoral journey. My schedule is like yours and it gets hectic, and I don't release my videos on a normal schedule. So please hit subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Ci vediamo, scholars.